This COOKPORTS stainless steel frying pan 10-inch is like a trusty helper in your kitchen. It is made of strong stainless steel. This means it can handle high heat. You can cook steaks perfectly in it. The 10-inch size is just right for many meals. It fits well on most stovetops, including induction. Cleaning the COOKPORTS stainless steel frying pan 10-inch is easy. Food does not stick too much. You can wash it by hand or in the dishwasher. This saves you time and effort after cooking. The pan is also made for healthy cooking. It does not have harmful chemicals. So, you can cook for your family with peace of mind. It gives you good control while you are cooking. The COOKPORTS stainless steel frying pan 10-inch is a great value for your money. It is built to last. And it is easy to use. This pan can be a workhorse in your kitchen. And it will help you make delicious meals. It has a classic style that looks good too. While DELARLO is not part of this pan, COOKPORTS offers quality. Consider this pan for your cooking needs. For anyone looking for a solid, everyday pan, the DELARLO non-stick frying pan skillet is a great choice. It's a fantastic addition to your own kitchen. Plus, it makes wonderful gifts for the chef in your life. Its convenient size is ideal for many recipes. And its durability ensures it will be a stock item for years. While it doesn't have a huge capacity like larger pots, its 10-inch size is perfect for daily meals. There is no legend to decipher. It's simply a well-made, reliable pan. Forget about sticky situations and enjoy easy cooking with this DELARLO nonstick frying pan skillet. Pros: healthy cooking, induction ready, all cooktops, durable build, even heating, oven safe. Long lasting, no chemicals. Cons: can stick food, needs oil for non-stick, can be harder to clean, may discolor with high heat. Uneven heating if thin, can be heavy, handle can get hot, might be pricier, potential for warping, not always truly non-stick features. Stainless steel 10-inch size, frying pan, easy cleanup, healthy cooking, induction ready. All cooktops, cookware, COOKPORTS brand, durable build. This COOKPORTS 10-inch stainless steel frying pan is a versatile and durable piece of cookware for your kitchen. It's made of stainless steel, which means it can handle high heat and is easy to clean. You can use it on any kind of stovetop, even induction, and it's great for healthy cooking. The pan is built to last, so you can use it for a long time. This COOKPORTS 10-inch stainless steel frying pan is made for healthy cooking on any stovetop, even induction. It's built to last and heats food evenly. And you can even put it in the oven. However, it doesn't have a non-stick coating, so you need to use oil. And it might be a bit harder to clean. Also, it could get discolored with very high heat and might not heat evenly if it's too thin. Some people might find it heavy, and the handle could get hot. It might also cost more than other pans and could possibly warp over time. Keep in mind that it's not always truly non-stick.